Hello, welcome to Chisholm Prism. Today in this video, it's going to be a vlog slash part of my apartment therapy series. And in this series, we have been doing projects around my house. We've done things in the living room, some accent walls. I created this chandelier that's above me in the dining room. We've been doing a lot of great projects. Currently, my apartment is looking like chaos because I've been trying to redesign this dining room, and I have gone through so many different iterations of what I think it should be, but today I have come to a better conclusion of what I want it to be. So that's what we're gonna do today. Also, excuse my voice, I'm kind of having sinus issues, so it's gonna sound kind of raspy in this video. Traveling back in the past last weekend, I thought it'd be a brilliant idea to add crown molding to all of these walls. And initially I was like, this is a great idea, I love it. But it took a lot of work and effort, and I have a new idea of what I want to even use these for. And I want to replace it instead with a very more organized framed gallery wall. So that's what we're gonna do. First, let's do a little flashback rewind of that weekend, and I wanna show you guys the process that I went through. So, go. It's time to play games. Present day. In that same weekend, I also got rid of a plant that used to sit in this corner because I couldn't take care of it. It had these little bugs on it, and I swear every time I get a palm plant, the webbing starts and these little spider mites start crawling all over it, and it freaks me out, and I don't really know how to take care of it. You can see it a little bit, but they just have this webbing on it. It freaks me out. It gives me chills. I gotta get rid of it. If you know how to take care of webbing, spider mites that grow on plants, please write that down in the comment section below. That would help me out a great deal. I'm just never gonna buy that kind of plant anymore because it just never works out. For today, I'm gonna take you guys along on a vlog where we're gonna go to a plant shop and find a replacement for that little guy. So we're gonna go look for this plant, and then we're gonna come back, fix that dining room. I have a rug that's coming in today, and we're gonna frame a whole bunch of art and create that gallery wall. So let's go. Fit check before I leave the house. Wearing a white jumpsuit that I thrifted a long time ago. Going with a checkered look, matching it with this fanny pack. Even got some fake Balenciaga ones that look like socks. You know what I mean? So we about to go out here. Also, this mirror is a future DIY project. It was up on this wall and completely fell down on the floor and didn't shatter. So this is a keeper. My building doesn't even have a doorknob anymore. For like, how am I gonna get out? So I couldn't get out the front door because the knob was completely off of the hinges. I swear, like, the maintenance guy of this building never really fixes anything. Like, how's the doorknob off of the door? I'm going all the way back up in my apartment to leave out of the back door. Like, what the fuck? Made a quick coffee stop. So I checked out that first plant store and yeah, it was okay. I didn't find what I was really looking for, more along the lines of like birds of paradise or like a fiddle leaf fig tree kind of plant, but it's okay. I have another plant store in mind that I'm gonna walk to right now and see what we can find there. And also, I might just end up delivering one of the bigger plants, so I don't want to lug that all the way back home. Little rag stop, rag stop, because why not? This shoe is really cool. Isn't this the cutest outfit? Okay, we're back. Okay. I swear every time I go shopping for a particular thing, I end up with a bunch of stuff I didn't even need to buy. So here we are. I ended up getting like 3 clothing items, but luckily they were all on sale and all of it was only 20 bucks. Something that I did get that is plant oriented were some like moss poles, because I have a monstera that I want it to grow taller, so this will help it grow upwards. Shout out to the Wicked Plant Shop. The lady, the owner of this store, she's so nice. The store, it's beautiful. I didn't get any plants today, but I will be reaching out to her. She said that there's an archive of bigger plants that I can look for or reach out to her and she'll find it for me and deliver it to my house. So that's a plus, because I cannot be lugging around a giant pot of whatever. So I'll order that another time. Okay, let's finally do this project in the dining room, and I'm so excited right now. The sun is finally coming out. It's been so gloomy here in Chicago lately. For here, I'm gonna take this crown molding feature, put it in the living room, and then take the art and really make this space that gallery. Me and my sister, I live with her, we're both very creative types and we have a lot of art, and it's all just kind of laying around the house right now. So I think the best way is to utilize this space to fill all the walls is just with our art and framing it really nicely and making it feel like a classy art museum gallery room. So let's do that. Okay, so this is the wall we're gonna add the crown molding feature to, and that's the little monstera that I bought those moss poles for, so hopefully it will stand up and grow bigger. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, laid out the basic grid like I did in the dining room, so let's add the molding. I pretty much just eyeball this. I know I cut 40 by 30 and try to give it like 10 inches of space in between. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I finally removed all the molding from the dining room and I put up the 3 panels in the living room. The whole time I was doing this, the princess of the house has just been sleeping here so peacefully. Hi. For now, we're gonna leave the living room like this, but imagine with me that these panels, I eventually put some kind of really pretty wallpaper within them, then maybe adding some sconces to the 2 outside ones to bring in some light and really make this a focal point. Guess it's not a productive work day if there isn't any bloodshed. All right, gotta get a Band-Aid for that. So I have moved the molding, 3 of the big panels, into the living room. The rest I'm gonna use to frame some of the art pieces. When taking down some of the molding, it did take off a little bit of the paint in some areas. So I had some leftover paint of this wall color. So I went and just resurfaced it and cleaned it up, and I'll just wait till it dries before I put up any art. A tip, if you want to match the paint color that's on your walls, you can easily just take a little quarter size piece of the paint and take it to any paint store. They'll match the same color and give you even a little small pint size of the paint. It's super cheap and easy and fast, and then you can just repaint and touch up any areas in your place that needs any fixing. So I think I'm gonna end this day. The rug came in, so I'm gonna lay out the rug on the floor and pick up on this gallery process another day because I'm tired.